I recently just got back from a 2-week trip to Italy, and my wife and I did all of the typical things such as visiting the Roman Forum, walking through the ruins of Pompeii, riding a gondola in Venice, and much, much more. But we also did something probably 99% of people don't do, which is visit the Inlaid Woodworking Museum in Sorrento. And I am glad we did this because the craftsmanship on display was amazing, and I think you will enjoy seeing all of these creations. Sorrento became very well known for their inlaid woodworking in the mid to late 1800s, which is the time period the vast majority of the museum pieces on display come from. What is even more interesting is that the Sorrento tradition of inlaid woodworking is still very much alive. I visited 3 different shops in Sorrento and bought a small souvenir from each. All of these shops are just local artisans making amazing creations, from simple drink coasters to elegant works of art. It was really cool seeing the traditions that these real families have with making and selling real things they make right there, as opposed to mass-produced trinkets and shirts imported and being sold, which is common across Italy, and really all tourist destinations. I wish I took more pictures of these shops and what they have to offer, but with language barriers, it was difficult, as it seems most people don't want a bunch of photos of their work being taken. I did manage to get a photo with one of the owners though, and he let me see his workshop, which was right above his storefront. If you are interested in some amazing inlaid woodworking pieces and ever find yourself in Italy, I put the information to these shops in the description. You can even order online from at least one of them. But for the rest of this video, just enjoy the amazing works that I saw in the museum. Images don't really do most pieces justice with regards to how intricate and impressive the work is, but I think you will still be able to appreciate the craftsmanship. Also, what I am showing is really just scratching the surface. This place was absolutely packed. They even had countless sketches and diagrams that were used by many of the woodworkers for creating the works that are on display. I put some credits on some pieces, but for everything I show, I do have basic information, so if there's something you would like to know the maker or year, let me know. So here's just some of my footage from the Inlaid Woodworking Museum in Sorrento, Italy. Enjoy!